Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at solving some equations, the two-step ones. This video is a repeat because the first one we had some technical issues with the recording. So I've just rewritten some of the questions and making this fresh video. Let's see how this one goes. Right. When we solve these two-step linear equations, we follow the following steps. Number one, you start always at the x. So for example, here, we're going to put a little arrow here to indicate for us that we are going to start at the x, for example. Now step number 2 says identify, i.e. number the actions. So what's been done to the x? So the x, first of all, is being times by 2. Call this the first action. It is then being added by 4, which we call the second action. Now, once we've identified the action was acting on the x, we can now go on to step 3, which is solve the equation by moving the actions in reverse order. So what that means is we move the last action first. So opposite of add 4 is minus 4. So what we do now, we copy everything down. So we say 2x is equal to 10 minus 4, which is 6. Now, we've got the first action to move it now, which was times by 2. So we've done the second action first, now the first action goes last. So opposite time by 2 goes over, that becomes divide by 2. So we copy down the x, we copy down the 6 divided by 2, that will give us an answer of 3. And that is the final answer for that question. Right, let's quickly move on to the second question. Start at the x. So we start by putting an arrow here, so we focus our eyes on the x. What has been done to x? X has been times by 10, first of all. Okay, whoops, I wasn't meant to circle that. We underline instead. That is called the first action. So x is first of all times by 10, and then it is minus by 7. So that's the second thing being done. First action, second action. Now, when we're going to solve it, as the rule says, we've done step 1 and step 2. Step 3 says solve the equation by moving the actions in reverse order. So the minus 7 has to go first. Opposite of minus 7, change side, we change sign, it's plus 7. So 33 add 7 will give us 40. Copy down the 10 times by x. Okay, now we need to move the multiply by 10 over. So the multiply by 10, which was originally the first action, goes last. Opposite time by 10 is divide by 10. 40 divided by 10 will give you answer 4. Copy the x under the x. And that's the end of our short video. I just hope this video gets recorded properly and we upload it to YouTube. Okay, thank you very much, folks.